This tutorial is intended to show Virtual Sleep 2020 attendees how to access on-demand sessions. Upon arriving to the event website, please ensure that you are logged in. If you are not logged in, you will see the word Login in the upper right-hand corner of the page. After logging in, click the On-Demand Channels tile on the home page. On this page, you will see a full listing of on-demand sessions offered at Virtual Sleep. To access presentations, sort by day, or scroll down to identify the session you would like to attend. Click on the name of the session, and then click on the session name that appears below. Scroll down past the list of speakers, and a full listing of presentations within that session will appear. Click on the presentation you would like to watch, and then click Slides with Audio. After watching your selected presentation, simply close the video window and click Next on the upper left-hand side of the presentation pop-up window. This will direct you to subsequent presentations within your selected session. We hope you're enjoying Virtual Sleep 2020. If you have any questions, please email us at info@sleepmeeting.org.